Hi, my name is Mike. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the SQL shell, the command line. First thing, you're going to come to your start menu right here. Click on it. Then we're going to go down. We're going to look for Postgres. Gonna look for Postgres. Okay, they said Postgres SQL 13. That's the version I'm currently using, but maybe at the time you're watching this video there could be an update version out there. So now you click on it and it gives all these options. What we want is the SQL shell, psql. You can click on it and drag it to your desktop, or just put it on your start menu. That's see, I've dragged mine and I've kept it right here. So you can drag it out and put it on your start menu so that it's easy for you to get it, or on your taskbar. I have my on my start menu, so I click on it and we have it. It says server local host. Well, we are using our system, we're not connecting to any database out there on the internet, so it's going to be locally done. So just click enter. Database Postgres. If you have the name of any database you want to connect to, you can put it there, but since we don't, we just click enter. The port number, enter. Username, enter. Now password. When you're creating your Postgres database, you put in a password. Now the password is what you're going to put in right here. So I'm going to put in mine, and I'm in. You can see right here it says psql, and this is the version 13.1. so right now I'm gonna show you how you can view the list of database. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how you can view the list of database. So those / and L, that gives you the list. So these are the database I've created already. If you need additional help, just type help. So this gives you extra commands. Now say the H for help with SQL commands, /question for help with psql commands. So this help gives you more commands. Maybe you're looking for something you want to do, just type H for SQL command, or / for psql commands. So moving forward, now I'm going to show you how you can create a database and connect to it. First we start with create database, then a database name, call it people, then this semicolon is very important so that you can create the database. Put your semicolon, enter, then wait a little for reply. Okay, gotten it. So create database, that's done. If you want to view it, you want to be sure, just type /L. Okay, I think that's meant to be small letter. Let me turn off my cap lock. Okay, that's case sensitive. Okay, so you can see right here we have our people database right here. Now I'm going to show you can create a table in it. Let's type create table, then the table name, and call it list. I use small letter, then semicolon, then sorry, not semicolon, bracket, then press enter. Okay, now start creating the columns. First I'm gonna have an ID, big serial. Using big serial is going to automatically change by itself. The number is going to be increasing by itself. I'm putting my primary key, then semicolon, then comma. That's really important. You have to put the comma, then enter, then first name underscore, and we're going to use voucher, which is for our string. Then we're going to put the limit of text that can be typed in it. This is first name, so I'm going to have 10. If the text is longer than 10, you won't be able to type anything in there again. The last name underscore, the same voucher again. Make sure your spelling is correct. Always check, because if you misspell it, you're gonna get an error. Then oops, comma, gender, let's have 7, limit, and enter, then date underscore off. Date of birth, the data type we're going to use here is date. Then we're going to have email or mail. Let's put the limit to 20. Then semicolon. Okay, so the data type we use for the first name, last name, gender are voucher, that's for string. Then the data type we use for date is date. For mail, we use voucher. The limit of text that can type here is 20. Then press enter. Once this semicolon is here, okay, and I also need to close it because this is the opening bracket. You actually have to close it. So put in your closing bracket and a semicolon. Once you press enter, created. Now to view the table, just backward slash D, and that the table list. You can also, if you want more information, backward slash D, then the name of the table list. So we can see the data type. It's a big int, that's for the ID. The first name is a character varying. You can see the date. So this just gives us more information. So right now I'm going to show you how you can drop the table. Now I'm going to show you how you can drop that table. Well, first, we have not yet connected into people because we just created the database people, this one, but we didn't connect into it. I'll show you the difference. Let's look over here. You see Postgres, that's what's written here. Once we are in people, to change. So to enter into the database people, just type /C, then the name of the table, the name of the database, people, then enter. See, you are now connected to database people. Now I'm gonna drop the table we created in people, that is the list. So all you have to do is put drop, drop table, the name of the table, this was its list, then semicolon, then enter. List does not exist. Give me an error. I believe that table does exist, so let me check for it. Let's come / then D. Oh, it looks like I've deleted it. Okay, it's dropped already. You can see I didn't find it, so the drop table list, I've deleted that table we created. Now we're gonna go out of people so that I can drop that database too. So let me sign out. Enter. Okay. Now I'm gonna drop just this. So now I'm gonna drop the people database we created. So we just type drop database people semicolon dropped. So if I should check for it now, /L, you can see you can find it here again. So that's all I'm going to show you for now. Subscribe and like my videos, and join me for next time for more. Thanks. Bye.